Welcome back to the Auto Byte. Today, we're unveiling a game-changer in the world of luxury travel, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Rolls-Royce has always been synonymous with sophistication, and with this motorhome, they've created an experience that combines the brand's legendary craftsmanship with the freedom and adventure of life on the road. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an art piece on wheels that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. So, let's dive deep into every detail of this unparalleled marvel. The exterior is where the magic begins. From the moment you see the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, it demands attention. It carries the DNA of Rolls-Royce design, from the unmistakable Pantheon grille to the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem that gracefully leads the way. But this isn't just about aesthetics, it's about intelligent design. The sleek, aerodynamic body is engineered not just to look stunning but to optimize fuel efficiency and road performance. The long, flowing lines are accentuated by bespoke two-tone paintwork, with each color and detail customizable to the owner's taste. Even the wheels are a work of art, featuring intricate patterns that echo the elegance of fine jewelry. And let's not forget the retractable side panels that reveal outdoor seating and storage space as perfect for those impromptu roadside picnics or luxury camping setups. Step inside, and it's as if you've entered a luxury penthouse suite that just happens to be mobile. Rolls-Royce has mastered the art of creating serene, welcoming spaces, and this motorhome is no exception. The cabin is bathed in natural light, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows and a skylight that runs the length of the roof. The materials are exquisite, a thin hand-stitched leather sourced from sustainable farms, ethically harvested wood veneers, and accents of brushed aluminum and crystal. Every surface, every texture is designed to evoke a sense of calm and indulgence. The layout of the interior is as practical as it is luxurious. The lounge area is the heart of the motorhome, featuring modular, plush seating that can be adjusted to your needs. Need a place to relax and watch a movie? A hidden OLED screen descends from the ceiling, paired with the state-of-the-art surround sound system. Planning to host guests? The seating can be reconfigured to create a formal dining area, complete with a marble top table and bespoke cutlery stored in velvet-lined drawers. Moving to the kitchen, Rolls-Royce has spared no expense in creating a gourmet cooking experience. The kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a high-capacity refrigerator, all seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. There's even a dedicated space for a built-in wine cooler and a barista-grade espresso machine, ensuring that every meal and drink is as luxurious as the surroundings. Every detail has been considered, down to the soft closed drawers and touch-activated cabinets. The sleeping quarters are nothing short of spectacular. The master bedroom suite features a king-sized bed with memory foam mattresses, custom pillows, and Egyptian cotton sheets. Above the bed is a panoramic skylight, allowing you to fall asleep under the stars or wake up to the first light of dawn. The room also includes custom wardrobes with integrated lighting and a vanity area. And then there's the ensuite bathroom, a masterpiece in itself. It includes a rainfall shower with adjustable water pressure, heated marble floors, and even a smart mirror that doubles as a touchscreen for controlling the lighting and entertainment systems. When it comes to performance, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is as refined as you'd expect. Under the hood is a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V12 engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering a total of 700 horsepower. The electric motor ensures zero-emission travel for up to 50 miles, perfect for city drives or environmentally sensitive areas. When more power is needed, the V12 engine takes over, providing seamless acceleration and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. And let's talk about the ride quality. Rolls-Royce's signature Magic Carpet Ride suspension system ensures that the motorhome glides effortlessly over any terrain, from city streets to rugged mountain roads. Safety and technology are also at the forefront. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is equipped with the next-generation AI assistant that handles everything from navigation to climate control. The voice-activated system is intuitive and adapts to your preferences over time. There's also a massive 24-inch OLED infotainment screen, as well as gesture controls for hands-free operation. For safety, The motorhome includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system, making even the largest motorhome feel easy to drive and park. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its ability to be customized to your exact specifications. Rolls-Royce offers nearly limitless personalization options, from the materials used in the interior to the addition of bespoke features. Want an onboard spa? Done. Prefer a mini library or workspace with a view? Rolls-Royce can make it happen. Every motorhome is a one-of-a-kind creation, tailored to the owner's unique lifestyle. In summary, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's an invitation to live life without compromise. It combines the freedom of the open road with the luxury and comfort of the finest homes, making it the ultimate travel companion for those who demand the very best. Whether you're exploring the countryside or embarking on a cross-continental adventure, this motorhome promises an experience like no other. Thanks for watching the Auto Byte. If you're as amazed by this motorhome as we are, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world's most luxurious vehicles. Drop a comment below and tell USA where would your first journey be in this masterpiece on wheels. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.